Today, I want to share about the Dhamma talk of the Buddha to you all. Is that from the Tipitaka Pali, Khuddaka Nikaya, Dhammapada Pali, Yamaka the best. The first Dhamma talk is that in Pali, in Myanmar Pali voice, please listen. Mano Pobingama Dhamma, Mano Titha, Mano Maya, Manata se, Badotina, Padatiwa, Karotiwa. The Donam, Dokamanuiti, Sakanwa, Wahado Badem. Okay, now, International Pali voice, Roman Pali, in English. Mano Pobingama Dhamma, Mano Sita, Mano Maya, Manasa se, Badotena, Basativa, Karotiva. The Donam, Dokamanuiti, Jakanwa, Wahado Badem. It means that the Buddha's talk, we all have not the bhikkhu monks, not have the nuns, not have men or women or children like that. It's there in the Pinyati, it's the Paramata, there is no anything at all. There is only have the Buddha said is the material and the mental. It means called in Pali we call Rupa and Nama. In Burmese called Yog Ne. So there are two kinds. And also at the Khanda, in Pali we call Khanda. Khanda is there are 5 kinds of Khanda is Rupa Khanda, Vedana Khanda, Sanya Khanda, Sankhara Khanda, and Vedana Khanda. Or Vijnana Khanda, sorry. The first one, Rupa Khanda, means is called the material cases. There are only one Rupa Khanda, and the others 4 is the Nama Khanda. In the 4 Nama Khandas, there are number 2, 3, 4, such as Vedana Khanda, Sanya Khanda, Sankhara Khanda is not a consciousness, not a mind, not a Nama. These are Nama Khanda, but there is not a mind and not consciousness. There is a Chitasika. Chitasika, there are 3. And the last one, number 5, is Vijnana Khanda.